Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking white pepper chicken soup. So let's start cooking. We are going to dry fry our peppercorns now. Heat up a pan and we'll add our peppercorns in. I have with me over here 20 grams of white peppercorn. Pour in. And I'll be adding in also 10 grams of black peppercorn. The reason I'm putting both in is because the white peppercorn will give you the heat and the black peppercorn will give you the fragrance. A combination of them both will make your soup really delicious. I'm frying this at medium heat, so you can do the same at home too. This will take a few minutes. How do you know when it's ready? When you can start to smell the peppery aroma coming out. I'll be crushing them slightly after this so that the flavor will be released easily into the soup. I can start to smell the beautiful fragrance that's coming out from here. Just a while bit more and I think we are done. You can hear the crackling sound, piak piak. That means it's almost done. This is very dry already. So we'll turn off the flame and I'll go and crush this now. Now I'm going to blanch my chicken bones as well as chicken feet. We do not need to wait for the water to boil. Just put it in. I have with me over here a combination of chicken feet and chicken bone, approximately 1 kilogram. The reason we are not waiting for the water to boil before we add all this in is that if the water is boiling and we put it in, the blood and the scum will be locked into the bones as well as the chicken feet. So we do not have to do that. Just put everything in. We'll wait for this to come to a boil, and when it's boiling, we'll wait for another 5 minutes before we turn it off and we wash them up thoroughly. I'll see you back in a while. So this is almost done. So now we'll turn off the flame and then we'll wash this before we add it into our soup. I boiled 4 liters of water for this. So once the water starts to boil, we'll add in all our ingredients. The crushed white and black pepper, put it in. 2 whole bulb of garlic, put it in. Make sure you wash them properly. The chicken feet and the chicken bones, put everything in. And also 1 whole chicken. I've cut it into big pieces like this. Do not cut them way too small because we'll be boiling them over a period of time, and if it's cut too small, it might just disintegrate easily. So this is about 1 kilogram or so. So we just put them all in also. Now if you want your soup to be less oily, you can of course take out all the skin. But the thing is that if you take out all the skin, the soup will not be as flavorful. So it all depends on how you want it to be. So after this is done, we'll just put the lid back on. We'll let this boil at medium-high heat for 20 to 30 minutes. I'll show you how it looks like later. 20 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, smells really good. As you can see, the soup is a little milky now. If you like to have it milkier, what you need to do is at high heat, you boil this for another 10 to 20 minutes more. But now I think this is what we want. We'll just add in a little bit of rock sugar, 15 grams of rock sugar to add to the sweetness of the soup. Put the lid back on, turn the heat down to low, and we'll let this slowly simmer for another 40 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. The soup has been boiling for quite some time now. Let's have a look. Wow, smells really good. The peppery smell, I love this. We're adding our canned button mushroom now. This is approximately 180 grams. You can use more if you want to, no problem. Just put them in. These are already cooked. I just need to heat them up a little bit. We just need to add salt to this soup. Add salt to taste. I'll just put in 2 teaspoons first, and then I'm just going to give this a taste. Give it a light stir. Wow, the aroma is fantastic. Very sweet, very good. Just need to add a little bit more salt, 2 more teaspoons. I think that will do nicely. Of course, you can add more or add less, it's really up to you. Just taste before you put in more, okay? And now it's time to serve our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. I'll try the soup first. Wow, very flavorful, very good. Try the chicken. Really tender. I can cut it just with my spoon. Oh, very hot, just be careful. Super tender. I can just use my tongue and I can just disintegrate the chicken immediately. White pepper and chicken actually helps to boost your immunity, especially in a period like this. It's best to have more of this. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.